Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 7th June from around the world. Researchers at IIT Hyderabad develop low-cost test kit that can detect COVID-19 within 20 minutes. A team of researchers at the Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad claims to have developed a first of its kind COVID-19 test kit that can deliver results within 20 minutes. The test kit has been developed at a cost of Rs 550 and it can be reduced up to Rs 350 when take to mass production. Coronavirus Roundup. India went past Italy to become the 6th worst hit nation by COVID-19, with the country registering a record single-day spike of 9,887 cases, which pushed the national wide tally to 2,36,657. India's death toll due to COVID-19 rose to 6,642 with a record increase of 294 deaths in the last 24 hours till Saturday 8 am. The country has registered over 9,000 cases for the third day in a row. Be part of a solution, not political interruption. Union Minister hits out at Rahul Gandhi. The Congress has been misleading, misinforming and confusing people amid the fight against coronavirus pandemic. Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said on Saturday, responding to MP Rahul Gandhi's failed lockdown barb. He said the party wants to spread what he called political pollution and advised them to become part of the solution, not interruption. Responding to a question on Mr. Gandhi calling the lockdown a failure, Mr. Naqvi said the Congress leader consider themselves experts on subjects they don't understand. When we enforced the lockdown, they said why we do it. Now they are saying it is not right to ease the lockdown. The problem is that they don't have an understanding about anything but try to portray themselves as experts, he said. Lawmakers in 8 countries from New Alliance to counter China. A group of senior lawmakers from 8 democracies, including the US, have launched a new cross-parliamentary alliance to help counter what they say is the threat China's growing influence poses to global trade, security and human rights. The group said it aims to construct appropriate and coordinated responses and to help the craft a proactive and strategic approach on issues related to the People's Republic of China. US Republican Senator Marco Rubio and Democrat Bob Menendez, former Japanese Defense Minister General Nakatani, European Parliament Foreign Affairs Committee member Miriam Leumann, and prominent UK Conservative lawmaker Ian Duncan Smith are all co-chairs of the newly launched group. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.